In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram link on Shopify. Adding your Instagram link to your Shopify store helps customers find and follow you, and it lets your theme display a clean Instagram icon in places like the footer or header. I'll walk you through the exact path to add it and share a few tips if you don't immediately see the option. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This takes you to your themes area where you manage how your storefront looks. On your current theme, click the button to edit the theme's appearance. Depending on your theme and Shopify's interface, this button may read Customize or Edit Theme, but it takes you to the same visual editor where you can change your theme settings. Once the theme editor opens, look for the Settings area. You'll typically see a Settings or Theme Settings option at the bottom left of the editor. Click that to open the panel that controls your global theme options. Inside Settings, you should see a section labeled Social Media. This is where many themes let you add links to your social profiles so the correct icons appear automatically. If you see social media listed, click it. You'll find fields for different platforms, including one for Instagram. Now paste your Instagram profile link into the Instagram field. Use the full URL so it works correctly, for example, https://www.instagram.com. Your profile. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the link. If your profile is set to public, the icon will take visitors directly to your page. If the profile is private, the link still works, but visitors will need to request to follow you. After pasting the link, click Save. The Save button is usually in the top right of the editor. Once saved, the Instagram icon should appear wherever your theme is designed to show social icons. You can preview your storefront to confirm it's visible. If you don't see the social media section in settings, don't worry. Some themes place social links in specific sections, such as the footer. In that case, browse the left side sections list in the theme editor and look for a social or footer area that contains social link fields. If it still doesn't appear, your theme may not support built-in social links, or the option might be hidden by theme-specific settings. Updating your theme or checking the theme's documentation can help clarify where those fields live. That's it. Open Shopify, go to Online Store, edit your theme, open Settings, find Social Media, paste your Instagram link, and save. Your store is now connected to Instagram.